What I really love about St. Andrews is the community, the people in the community. Everyone's so warm and welcoming, and when I came here freshman year, it was just like I dove head first. I already had such a great group of friends. I established a great social life. The academics here are phenomenal. It's just the culture that surrounds the community is so fantastic.
Student life is composed of multiple clubs, so our students have the opportunity to work with multiple advisors. They have the ability to work on different passions, so our students are invited to make sure that they initiate clubs that they're really excited about and passionate about. So this is an opportunity for our students to get involved, show what they really love.